Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install PPSSPP on iOS 16 without computer and without jailbreak. PPSSPP is an emulator for PSP. You can play all PSP games on different devices and operating systems such as iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. But installing PPSSPP on iOS is a bit more difficult than on other devices. So I will show you how to install PPSSPP on iOS without computer and without jailbreak. Please check this out. First of all, please download PPSSPP on their official website. PPSSPP is open source and free use for all users. Then download for iOS devices. And download PPSSPP IPA extension and download. And then install Scarlet on your iOS devices. Scarlet allows you to install PPSSPP on your iOS devices without computer and jailbreak. Please open Scarlet and find the IPA files. Select the PPSSPP IPA. And it will automatically installing on your iOS devices. Please wait. And yeah, the PPSSPP successfully installed on your iOS. And you can play the games on the emulator. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.